Okay, welcome student. Now we'll be discussing with the part 2 of the chapter 7, which is on coordinate geometry. Remember on the last class we have discussed about how to find out a formula for the distance between any 2 points on the plane. Okay, and let us recall that formula, which is also called as the distance formula. This distance formula, in this distance formula, the distance between any 2 points on the plane is equal to root over of square on the difference of abscissa plus square on the difference of the ordinates. Clear? You try to remember this formula. Will be many times we'll be using with this formula in solving the problem in this chapter. Clear? Now let us go directly with the problem number 1 from the text. Find the distance between the following pair of points, with the first given to be x is 5. The first point is 5, 8. That means x is 5, y is 8. Second point is given to be minus 3, 2. That means x is minus 3, y is 2. Clear? Now let us take the first point denoted by the point P and second point denoted by Q. Then by the distance formula, the distance between these 2 points P and Q will be given by this formula, root over of square on x2 minus x1 plus square on y2 minus y1. Okay. Let us take the point 5, 8 as x2, y2 and the point minus 3, 2 as x1, y1. Now 5 minus of minus 3 square plus 8 minus 2 square. Okay. 5 minus of minus 3, minus multiply minus will be plus. That means 5 plus 3 square, 8 minus 2 whole thing square. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 square, 8 minus 6 is 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square. 8 square is how much? 64. 6 square is 6 multiply 6, which is 36. Now 64 plus 36 give us 100, and the square root of 100 it is 10. Clear? Hence the distance between any 2 points between P, the distance between these 2 points P and Q is how much? 10 units. Okay, let's go to the second problem from here. The first point is minus 6, 7. Second is minus 1, minus 5. Let us consider the first point denoted by point P and second point by Q. Then again, using by the same distance formula, the distance between 2 will be x2 minus x1. That's in minus 6 minus of minus 1. 7 minus of minus 5. Minus 6 minus minus 1. Minus minus is plus. That's in minus 6 plus 1 whole square. Then 7 minus minus 5 mean minus minus is plus. 7 plus 5 whole square. Now minus 6 plus 1 plus minus is minus. 6 minus 1 is 5. And minus sign is greater. Therefore we will have minus 5 square plus 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 square. But minus square is how much? Minus multiply minus is plus, isn't it? 5 multiply 5 is 25. You will have 25 plus 144. Why? Because 12 square is 144. Now 25 plus 144 is how much? 169. Now the square root of 169 it is 13. Why square root 169 is 13? Because 13 square is 13 multiplied 13 is 169. Therefore square root of 169 will give you 13. Okay, these basic things I've made a separate video where you can go through this basic of arithmetic in another video. You try to search from my channel, you will find all this video, and you try to go through this video, so that you will be easier for you for doing this small calculation. Clear? Now hence the distance between these 2 points P and Q will be 13 units. Why we are writing units here? Because the distance should always measure in centimeter, meter or kilometer, whatever it is. Here these 2 points, there is no units given in the question, therefore we cannot say that it is 13 cm or 13 meter or 13 how much is the length, we don't know, but yes, the value we know it is 13, but unit we can't say how many units. It depends upon the measurement that have been taken. If the plane is, if these points are measured in meter or centimeter, that will be, the unit will be in centimeter. It depends upon the plane, what is the measurement being taken for getting this point P and Q. Clear? Then the next we have on the problem number 3, where the first point is A0, second is 0B. This means X is A, Y is 0, second point X is 0, Y is B. The same thing you will find here also. Let P be the first point, Q second point. By the distance formula, X A minus 0, 0 minus B. A minus 0 is A, 0 minus B will be minus B, isn't it? And A square will be A square itself, minus B square will be B square, because minus multiply minus will be plus, B square will be remaining B square itself. Here, since this A and B are the variable which we don't know what is the value of A and B, then we therefore we cannot find out what will be the square root of A and B. You just write, hence the distance between these 2 points will be root over of A square plus B square unit. Clear? Next we have cos theta 0 and 0 sin theta. Using the same process, using the same formula, cos theta minus 0 whole square, then 0 minus sin theta whole square. Cos theta minus 0, if you minus by 0 will remain cos theta whole square plus minus sin theta whole square. But cos theta square will be cos square theta, and sin theta square will be sin square theta. There will be no square on theta. Theta is the angle. There should be no square on the angle. It should be on the ratio, on the trigonometric ratio. The square should go to the trigonometric ratio. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the value of cos square theta sin square theta? This is the formula which you have read or come across in the chapter of trigonometry, and the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, or sin square theta plus cos square theta, will be 1. Therefore it will be root over of 1. Root 1 is 1 only, hence the distance between these 2 points P and Q will be 1 unit. Clear? For the time being we'll stop here, and we shall continue it again on our next class, which is on the part 3 of this chapter. Okay, bye to all of you.